गोंयान वचत थंय भौशीक बांदकाम खात्या कडल्यान रस्ते आनी पूल बांदपाची कामां चालू आसात. मात भौशीक बांदकाम खात्याची कामां चालू आसात थंय लोकांक येरादारी करपा खातीर त्रास जावचो ना हाची काळजी सरकारान, भौशीक खात्याच्या मंत्र्यान, सरकाराच्या भौशीक बांदकाम खात्यान आनी बांदकाम करपी कंत्राटदारान घेतिल्ली ना. सरकाराच्या आनी कंत्राटदारांच्या निश्काळजीपणाक लागून हाल्डोणच्या एका तरणाट्याक म्हापशा जाल्ल्या अपघातान आपलो जीव वगडावचो पडलो. गोंय सरकारान उदरगतीच्या नांवान गोंयभर रस्ते खणून घातल्यात. रस्त्याची कामां मात सुशेगाद चालू आसात. सरकारान आशिल्ले मंत्री आनी सत्तेचेर आशिल्ल्या पक्षाचे आमदार आनी तांचे कार्यकर्ते मात सरकार उदरगत करता म्हूण प्रचार करतात. म्हापशा अंतरराष्ट्रीय महामार्गाचेर कंत्राटदारांच्या निश्काळजीपणाक लागून अपघात जावन मरण आयिल्ल्या हाल्डोणच्या एलोयशियस आल्वारिसाच्या फामिलीक मात मेळपा खातीर कोणच गेले ना. एलोयशियस एकटोच पूत. आतां ताच्या फामिलीचें कितें? आपल्याचेर आयिल्ल्या संकटांतल्यान भायर सरोन एलोयशियसाच्या फामिलीन सरकाराक ताची चूक दाखोवपा खातीर पणजेन पत्रकारा सामकार आयल्यात.
रस्त्या अपघातान मरण पावतात आनी तेतूंतलो आमचो एक भाव, आमच्या गांवांतलो एक भुरगो, एक तरणाटो 17 तारखेर सरकारच्या बेजबाबदारपणाक लागून सोंपलो. आनी हे तेचे सगळे घरचे आयज मुद्दाम खोर्जुये गांवांतल्यान हांगा पणजे ह्या पवित्र वाठारान हांगा आमी येयल्ले आसा. तांकां आपणाचो भाव, आपणाचो पूत, आपणाचो जावूय, आपणाचो घरचो आयज ना जाल्लो आसा. सरकारच्या निश्काळजीपणाक लागून, PWDच्या निश्काळजीपणाक लागून आयज सरकार जे रस्त्यार अपघात जावन तरणाटे मरता हेचेर सरकार गंभीर ना. आनी गंभीर ना आमी इतल्याच लागून म्हणटा की हो एक्सिडंट 17 तारखेर जाल्लो आनी आयज 22 तारीख. आजून पासून सरकारचो एकूय अधिकारी तांकां मेळपाक, तेंच्या घरच्यांक मेळपाक जावं विचारपूस करपाक आयज पासून कांयच खंय कोणाचीच आयज दखल कोणी घेवंक ना. आयज जर तुमी पयले ज्या जाग्यार आमच्या भावाचो दुर्दैवी अंत जालो तो जर तुमी रस्तो पळयलो जाल्यार थंयसर कसलेच सिग्नल ना. रोड ट्रॅफिकाचे जे गायडलायन्स आसा ते गायडलायन्स थंय पाळ्ळे वचना. कसलेच पेंट मारून खंयचें डायरेक्शन ना. म्हणजे जो 2 व्हिलर चलोवपी जावं 4 व्हिलर चलोवपी आसा तो गोंधळान पडटा, तो कन्फ्यूज जाता. ताका खंयच्यान वचप, खंयच्यान येवप हें कांयच कळना. ग्रीन पार्क जो जागो जावन आसा, ज्या जाग्यार लागींच एलोयसिसाचो देहांत जालो, आयजूय जर तुमी वचून पळयलें, 4 दीस जाल्या उपरांत जर पळयलें जाल्यार थंय कसलीच सुदारणा जावंक ना. थंयसर कसलीच जतनायेची पावलां तेंच्यांनी आजून उबरावंक ना. आयजूय जर तुमी वचून पळयलें, ज्या जाग्यार काम चालू आसा थंयसर एक बोर्ड आसा स्पीड लिमिटाचो 70 म्हणटा आनी फुडें शवल काम करता, रोड रोलर आसा, ट्रकान माती व्हरता, रस्त्याचें काम चालू आसा आनी स्पीड लिमीट 70 म्हणटा. म्हणजे जो गाडी चलोवपी आसा तो जर रोड ट्रॅफिकाचें जर पालन करपी आसा, 70 बरयल्यार तो आपलो बिंदास फास्ट वयतलो. पूण हें सरकाराक आजून कळना की एक सादो बोर्ड वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस, PWDचें काम चालू आसा, सवकास वचात, हो सादो बोर्ड तेंच्यांनी त्या जाग्यार लावंक ना. आमचो खोर्जुयेचो भाव एलोयसियस आल्वारीस हेका आमी मुकलले आसा आनी आमकां नाका की असलो प्रकार, असलो दुर्दैवी अंत हो आमच्या गोंयच्या इतर तरणाट्यांचेर जावं इतर कोणाचेरूच येवचो न्हू म्हण आमी आयज खास करून ही सगळी फॅमिली तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सरकारचे जे दोळे बंद जाल्ले आसा, सरकार जे भेड्डे जाल्ले आसा, कुड्डे जाल्ले आसा, मोने जाल्ले आसा, तेका उठोवपा खातीर, जागोवपा खातीर आमच्या गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांचो जो जीव वचत आसा तांकां साल्वार करच्या खातीर ही एलोयसिसाची फॅमिली आयज तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सरकाराक जाप विचारपाक येयल्ली आसा. हांव मागता सरकारा कडेन की जागे जायात, ट्रॅफिक पुलीस ज्या ज्या जंक्शनाचेर ज्या ज्या जाग्यार कामां चालू आसा थंय चालीक लायात जे तुमचे सायनबोर्ड कलम्याल्या परते पडल्या त्या ज्या जाग्यार सायनबोर्ड ना ते सारके जाग्यार बसयात. ट्रॅफिक गायडलायन्स स्वता तुम्ही पयलीं PWD डिपार्टमेंट, ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट आनी पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट तुम्ही स्वता पयलीं हेचें पालन करात आनी तेन्ना लोकां मदीं शिस्त येतली. तुम्ही फक्त तुमचे कमिशन घेवच्या खातीर व्यस्त आसात. तुम्ही फक्त उदरगतीच्या नांवार अशें तुम्ही आमच्या तरणाट्यांचो जीव घेवपाक तयार रावले आसात. आमी तुमचो निशेध करता, तुमकां उलो मारता की जागे जायात.
एलोयशियस आल्वारिसाच्या मरणाक भौशीक बांदकाम खातें आनी भलायकी खातेंच जबाबदार आसा असो आरोप एलोयशियसाची भयण आलिशान केला.
I lost Aloysius. Aloysius is the only brother I had, and we lost him due to the negligence of the PWD and the health ministry. They have failed us miserably. There was not a single sign on the road. There were no street lights, no indication, nothing. My brother was not overspeeding. He was not under the influence of alcohol. He was riding very carefully. The only thing he could not see the road is the levels were uneven on the road, and he couldn't see it. There was no street lights. Aloysius always wore a helmet, and that day also he was wearing a helmet. He removed it and gave it to his wife, saying he couldn't see the road even with the helmet because the traffic from the opposite side was coming with full beam. So he gave it to his wife and said, I cannot see because the light is hitting the glass. And just he went ahead and met with an accident and hit his head on the ground. So my question to the government is, till when will you all take life so lightly? Till when will you all fool around with people's lives? Till when? How many more people do we have to lose? How many more youth does Goa need to lose to awaken the government? My request to the government is, I cannot bring back my brother, but I want to create an awareness. I want people to be more vigilant, to wake up the government basically. We need to show them that life is precious. Aloysius was the only one taking care of my parents. They are left with no one now. His wife is a widow at the age of 26.
आमकां उदरगत जाल्लीच जाय, पूण सरकारान आनी कंत्राटदारान येरादारी करपी लोकांची काळजी घेवंक जाय. तांणी लोकांच्या सुरक्षेच्या नदरेन येरादारीचे नेम पाळपाची गरज आसा अशें एलोयशियसाची फामील म्हणटा.
The PWD and the contractors have to follow a safety norm of hazard lights wherever the road is uneven. There is not a single street light. There is a major development going on over there, building the bridge. Not a single street light from Green Park till Mapsa. It's blackout. So I request the PWD to put street lights over there because it is a dead trap. You can go on that road with a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler and see. Please put signs. In the morning when people are traveling towards Panjim, the road is different. There is a one way. When they are going back, it is two-way. So people don't know what is actually happening. Put some signs over there. It's so difficult. Everywhere you'll go, there is a diversion. Put signs for the diversion. We are not against development, but you have to be careful and responsible of the development that you are doing so that the people don't end in deaths like this.
एलोयशियसाच्या मरणाक जितले भौशीक बांदकाम खातें आनी ताचे कंत्राटदार जबाबदार आसात तितलेच जबाबदार भलायकी खातें आसा. सरकार भलायकेच्या मळार कोट्यांनी रुपया खर्च करता, मात सादें रक्त तपासपाची यंत्रणा मेडिकलांत ना. तशेंच गरजे भायर लोकांक त्रास करपा खातीर आनी मेडिकलांतले घडणुक्यो मिडिया मेरेन लोकांनी पावोवपाच्यो न्ही म्हूण तांकां आडोवपा खातीर शेकड्यांनी सुरक्षा रक्षक नेमल्यात. मात मेडिकलांत लोकांच्या मदती खातीर जाय जाल्यार कामगार ना. पेशंटांक तपासपा खातीर दोतोरांक फावर लावन आफोवचें पडटा. हें आमचें दुर्दैव्य आसा अशें तिडक एलोयशियसाच्या भावान उक्तायल्या.
If the doctor at a district hospital is saying we can't do anything, what is the use of the ambulance wasting that time? How much time is lost from the Green Park highway to district and just getting a reply from the doctor saying आमकां कांय करूंक जायना, तूं तेका GMC व्हर. So what I'm saying is, there is a paramedic in the ambulance, right? There's a paramedic in 108. Is he not qualified enough to look at the patient or analyze and see how serious it is? I'm sure he knows what the district is capable of, what the doctors at district hospital are capable of. Can't he make a decision whether the patient is supposed to be directly taken to GMC or to be taken to district? Okay, see, after all of this, he was taken to GMC. He was lying on the bed for a minimum of 1.5 hours without any attention. Without attention, he was lying on the bed. Just one oxygen mask was put for him. That's it. That oxygen mask was full of blood. Me as his cousin, when I walk into GMC and look at him in the casualty, it's heartbreaking. Come on, it's a government hospital. We are people of Goa. At least first aid which was given in the ambulance should have been continued. Later on, after because we had contacts in the higher places, we made calls, and then later on the doctor came and decided to slit his throat and give him some another way of breathing. So what I'm trying to say is, why do people of Goa need to have contacts in order to get proper health facilities? Why was he not looked upon, or why was he not taken care of when he initially entered GMC casualty? For a particular blood test, suddenly the doctor comes at 4 o'clock and he's telling us, go get his blood test done from Manipal. You're a government hospital. Why is that blood test? Why doesn't that blood test happen at your hospital? Why does the patients have to take it, go to Manipal, get the blood test done, wait for 3 hours and come back? In the meantime, the doctor's saying, I need to take him to the operation theatre, get it fast. We called up a doctor, it happened in 5 minutes. So what I'm trying to say is, just because we have contacts, or just because a person has contacts and you call, your work is done fast, otherwise they don't give a damn about the patient. Let the patient die there on the stretcher. No one cares. Busy throughout the day. There are a lot of patients coming in and out of GMC. But at odd hours, how do you expect a family member to call up someone who's staying 30-40 kilometers away to come and lift the patient, put him on the stretcher to take him for a scan? It doesn't make sense. Another scene that I saw that day was, there's a small baby with drips and a pipe in the nose. The mother's carrying the baby, and the nurse is carrying the drips like this in the hand and walking from one end to the other end of the hospital. Aren't they stretchers? Aren't there any other health facilities that can take the child from one place to another? The government has to look into this really, really very carefully.